Let's open it up. All the way from China in 3 days. Yay. Hope it's not a piece of crap. There's one of the downpipes. Cats. Looks like it doesn't have cats. You better not have cats. Alright. No cats. See it? No cats. No tips. Tip. Titanium exhaust.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go drop off these parts at Corsa with the car. Got the downpipes exhaust in this one, got the bridge panels. This one's broke on mine. Down here, little piece broke, so I got some replacement ones, hopefully put it back on. Bridge panels, oil filter, spark plugs, ISG delete, new coil packs, and that's about it. I think it should be able to fit in the passenger seat, but we shall see. Barely fits. Barely fits. Check it out. Take it out of the box, but it should be okay. Look at this shit. I got a big ass passenger. Scoot over. Scoot over. If I remember, saw it online, third and fourth gear is like 20 to 21 pounds.
You can make almost the same power as running a stage 1 tune, going from 91 to 100 octane on this car. It's easy.
Cool. Alright.
Yeah, 765.
Alright, I'm gonna go pick up the car. Got the downpipes exhaust installed, so we're ready. I'm pumped. Let's go. Hey! You didn't even see me! You didn't even see me, fool! I'll film your ass, dude! Look, it sounds insane, dude. You gotta hear it outside here, dude.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.